Good morning, ma'am. I am Deepika of class 12C, study in Kendra Vidyalaya number 1. I want to ask one question about online classes during coronavirus because in online classes we get disturbed because many noise are created, many students make disturbance, create disturbance. जैसे हम स्कूल में होते थे तो हम अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर सकते थे, एक ही बार में हमें सब समझ आ जाता था क्योंकि सब शांत होते हैं, सब अच्छे से सुनते कि क्या कहा जा रहा है और क्या समझाया जा रहा है। पर अभी जैसे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में हो रहा है, सब आते जाते रहते हैं, एक तो आवाज़ ठीक से क्लियर नहीं आ पाती कभी कभार, तो हम ठीक से पढ़ाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। तो हम क्या करें जो हमारी स्टडीज़ अच्छे से हो पाए, और ऊपर से हमारी 12th है तो इसे हम अच्छे से तो करना ही पड़ेगा, वरना 12th में हमें बहुत सारे डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट होंगे और हमेशा से पास होने में भी दिक्कत आ सकती है। तो प्लीज़ आप
Welcome again to my YouTube channel. A very good morning to all of you. There are again a few questions from 12th class. I'm here to answer them. Deepika has asked a question that I get really disturbed, ma'am, with online classes and I'm not able to concentrate. Deepika, many students have asked the same kind of question and I already have answered these questions again. I would like to address this problem. Online classes are not a disturbance for you, and this problem may persist for some more time, so you have to adjust with your online classes. And if you are not able to concentrate, try to do some yoga. I already have suggested for many times, because this has become a destiny for you for some time. Try to concentrate, try to channelize yourself. Of course, I do agree that a few students are there, those who disturb the classes, but still better you have to adjust anyhow. And as Avanshika asked that she is not able to concentrate because of the hard copy of the books. So if you want, you can procure the books. And as you said that that may affect your result, it's a long way. Next year you have to write the exam, so don't worry, we will help you out. And if in case if the things are not clear to you, you can very politely ask your teacher on WhatsApp, or you can talk to your teacher with the teacher's permission. Take time on WhatsApp and then contact your teacher. Teachers will resolve your problem, because teachers are at your disposal. They will definitely help you. No teacher will say that don't contact me and I am not able to resolve your problem. Okay, thank you very much, Deepika.
Hello, I'm Harsh. I have few questions on mental well-being. My first question is that how to control my mind from anxiety, because now we have time and I think over it. Bad memories comes to my mind which I have no control on. So I wanted to know that how to control it. And my second question is that how to overcome social insecurities, how to express myself. I am very bad in expressing myself and talking with people. So I wanted to know that how to do it. I'll hope I'll find my answers. Thank you.
Good morning, Harsh. You are here with two questions. Question number one, that you have anxiety, you're not able to overcome. किस बात की आपको फिक्र है हर्ष? You're such a small child. You are in 12th class. Don't think that this is the situation and this will never come to an end. Okay? You need to keep yourself very positive. When nothing is there in our hands, then the positivity is the only thing we have, and you try your level best to be very, very positive. Number one. Number two, as you said, I'm not very good in making contacts or the social relations with the people. do not bother at this time. At this point of time, you don't have to bother for all these things. Slowly, whosoever meets you, very politely try to put your words in a proper way, and don't be hesitant. Why you should have hesitation for anything? Don't be hesitant. Be expressive. If you're not able to express yourself, frame the sentences what you want to say, and then after framing, speak a few sentences. That will help you. Do yoga, meditation at this point of time. You will come out of the anxiety, and your parents are there to help you out. Your teachers are there to help you out. As far as your 12th class exams are concerned, don't worry. Don't worry, because if you're worrying, nothing will come out. Okay? So don't worry. Leave all your worries aside. Think very positive. Something positive will come to you. Okay? Thank you very much.
Hello ma'am, this year I'm going to appear for 12 board exams and these online classes are very disturbing for me. I'm not able to concentrate on studies and not able to coordinate with the online classes. So ma'am, how we will be going to complete our syllabus in a proper manner? Ma'am, please guide us.
Roma, you have asked a question regarding the online classes that you get disturbed because Roma, you have a problem of connectivity as well as network problem. Nowadays, many children, many areas have got the network problem because there is a lot of load. So that I cannot resolve, but yes, whenever you get the connectivity, get connected with your class. And if you have a problem, you approach to your teacher. Teacher will individually solve your problem. As far as your exams are concerned for 12th class, still time is there, and you are concerned with the completion of the syllabus. It is not only the online classes that with that the teachers will be completing your syllabus. Even if you are not coming to the school, still the teachers will be revising the syllabus again and again the whole session. And I'm very much sure that your teachers will help you actually to prepare for your exams. So don't get worried. That is your teachers' task, and they would definitely do. They all are really very much worried about you, and they are very much concerned for the completion of the syllabus. Not in the way that they have to complete, rather they will complete the syllabus in the sense of proper preparation of the syllabus. Okay, so don't worry about it. Thank you very much.
My daughter has an 12th exam last year, and this year she has taken a drop for preparation of NEET. Yet the entrance exams have not been conducted because of this coronavirus. Yet dates are not confirmed. We are really in a tension that when exams are going to conduct, when the admission procedure will start. This gives really a mental tension to both parents and students.
This is Mrs. Jyoti Patil, a parent of a child, a girl, who appeared for 12th class examination last year, and now this year she has to appear for the NEET examination. Madam is quite worried. Madam, I would like to say from this platform that day before yesterday there was a notification from HRD Ministry and CBSE that JEE and NEET exams will be conducted somewhere in the month of July, end or August. So one worry is solved. I believe that maybe in the month of July and August the child will appear for the exams, entrance exams. The second thing, of course, I do agree, since the time is running and parents and the children are worried, and this delay now has brought them into a situation of dilemma. They are not able to concentrate, and the preparations which were done according to the time frame, of course it is a break. It is difficult for the children to concentrate. बट मैडम मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सकारात्मक सोच रखने के अलावा हमारे सामने कुछ भी नहीं है. तो आप भी सकारात्मक रहें और बच्चे को भी रखने में आप मदद करें और कुछ ना कुछ बहुत अच्छा हमारे सामने निकल करके आएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच ज्योति मैडम. थैंक यू.
Hello ma'am, I am Parth Singh. This year I am going to appear in 12th boards. Ma'am, I am not able to collaborate with the online classes. So ma'am, how can we complete our syllabus before exams? Ma'am, please guide
Very
us.
good morning. You have the same problem that you are not able to coordinate in the online classes, number one. And number two, you are worried about the completion of the syllabus. As many students are worried about it, you should not worry about it. Whatever the teachers are asking you to do, they are on the toes to help you out all the times, anytime. So, for the completion of the syllabus is not your job, your teachers will take up, and the syllabus will be completed in a right sense. Not only for the namesake that they will finish the syllabus, rather they will complete the syllabus in the right sense, in right spirit, so that the preparation should be a very, very focused one, a very strong one. Okay, so don't worry about the completion of the syllabus and your preparations. They will take care. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I, Priya Mishra, student of class 12th Commerce, appearing in 2019-20 board examination. Ma'am, still our 2 papers are pending. I'm worried about my board exams because of the gap of almost about 1.5 months in the exams. The preparation and mindset at the time of examination is totally different from now. And many of us are preparing for our entrance exams also. It's very difficult and confusing what to study first. Should we focus on our board exams or our entrance exams? Please give us a clear guidelines.
I'm very happy to see you online because you are very introvert, but you have come out of a question. I'm very happy about it. प्रिया, आपके प्रश्न का मैंने कई बार पहले भी उत्तर दिया है कि आप चिंता ना करें. यद्यपि ऐसा नहीं होता है. हमारी उम्मीद जो है वो शायद आपके लिए थोड़ा भारी लगे आपको, क्योंकि आप एक इंडिविजुअल हैं. आपकी चिंता बिल्कुल जायज़ है. आप चिंता थोड़ी बहुत रखें भी, लेकिन आपने जो तैयारी करनी है उसको आप पूरी रखें, क्योंकि कभी ना कभी महीने 2 महीने में आपकी परीक्षाएं ज़रूर होंगी, आपकी सुरक्षा को देखते हुए. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, आपने पूछा है कि एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम्स का क्या होगा. अभी कल ही एक नोटिफिकेशन जारी हुआ है HRD मिनिस्ट्री की तरफ से कि IIT JEE और नीट की परीक्षाएं जो हैं जून जुलाई में उनकी डेट्स जो हैं वो डिक्लेयर की जाएंगी. तो आपके भी जो भी आपने एंट्रेंस के लिए आप एस्पायर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट हैं, तो उसके लिए भी कुछ ना कुछ नोटिफिकेशन जारी होगा. आई विल कीप इन टच, यू ऑल्सो कीप इन टच, एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस. ओके, सो डोंट वरी. देखिए, चिंता जो है वो किसी भी समस्या का समाधान नहीं है, बल्कि चिंता चिता तक पहुंचाती है. तो यू ट्राई टू बी वेरी पॉजिटिव ऑल द टाइम्स. प्रैक्टिस योगा. अभी आज की डेट में जब बाहर नहीं निकल सकते हैं तो योग एक सबसे अच्छी साधना है कि आप घर में बैठ कर के 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 20 मिनट, आधे घंटे, जितनी देर आप कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हैं आप योग कीजिए. कई सारे यूट्यूब चैनल्स या टीवी चैनल्स के ऊपर भी योग के थोड़े थोड़े समय के लिए क्लासेस आ रहे हैं. आप उनको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं और थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेट करने की कोशिश कीजिए. हालांकि ये वक्त काफ़ी मुश्किल है. सो यू ट्राई टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट एंड डोंट वरी, बिकॉज वरी इज़ नॉट द सोल्यूशन फॉर एनी ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, थैंक यू.
Hello ma'am, I am Nihar Sharma and I am going to appear in 12th board exam, but due to COVID-19 I am unable to get mentally refreshed. So please help me in this situation.
Nihar, a very good morning to you. You have asked that due to the corona problem you are not refreshed. So I should mean that you are a little worried and you don't feel like that you are fresh, and sometimes you don't feel like talking to anyone. So it is your worry that you are in 12th class and you are not able to concentrate, right? I think you do not feel refreshed because the same idea comes again and again in your mind. What will happen? What will happen? Of course, uncertainty is there. We do not know. But still, as Ministry of HRD, with the help of NCERT, they have prepared one alternate syllabus, alternate study material that will be online from class 1 to 10th. For you also, there will be some decision which will come out within a day or two or in a week. I will let you know. I will keep you updated. And if you worry a lot, that is not the solution, Nihar. You have to find out a solution of your refreshment. As you said, I do not feel refreshed. How will you feel refreshed? You have to think on your own. And if you have any problem related to your syllabus, related to the completion of the syllabus, related to your exams, if it is concerned with the subject teacher, contact your subject teacher. If it is concerned with anything else where I can help you out, I will definitely address your problem and feel refreshed. That is in your hands. How you will feel refreshed? When you think positive, when good ideas are there in your mind, and still if you have any problem, I believe after listening to me, you'll have little peace in your mind. But still, if you feel that you're not peaceful, you can always talk to me over phone or you can chat on WhatsApp. I'm always to help you out. Thank you very much, Nihar.
Hi, good evening. My name is Shakti Mishra. My son Ruchishnu has appeared for class 12 board exam in financial year 2019-20 from Kendriya Vidyalaya Kulaba 1, Mumbai. He has appeared from humanities stream. Unfortunately, because of this COVID-19 and lockdown situation, one of his papers is yet to be conducted, that is geography. We understand from the CBSE website that the exams is likely to be conducted only after the lockdown is over, and some 10 days of time will be given to notice will be given before the exam is conducted. We have few questions in regard to the child. Basically, what happens? When is the likely what scenario? Basically, on likely date, likely period when this exams will be pending exams will be held. Second one is when can we expect the results of the class 12 to be out? Because ultimately after this exams results are out, then only he'll be able to appear for many of the entrance tests and appear for future courses, either professional or for higher studies, and so those things are delayed. So we want to have some clarity on these aspects. What will happen to the such students for their onboarding them in the coming financial year for their next higher studies, and obviously it's likely to be delayed, and in that case whether the process of studies of the subsequent stream which it takes, whether that is likely to be reduced, or in what way that will be handled. And so those are basically the questions we would like to have some answer and some clarity, and we request such feedback from the board. Thank you very much, and looking forward to your
Good evening, Mishra sir. Your child is appearing in 12th class and your worry is that there is no clarification about the examinations. Yes, I do agree, sir. But a couple of days back from HRD Ministry, this is very clear that 10th class they may not conduct the exam, but for class 12th, as soon as the situation is eased, they would definitely conduct the exams. The second question is about the entrance exams. Yes, the entrance exams will be conducted, and your child has to appear in some entrance exam that will definitely be conducted by different agencies in future, and notifications will be given for that. Thank you very much, sir. These words, I would like to wind up this session with a very good post I received on WhatsApp. It says, हालात खराब हैं सबको पता है, कब सुधरेंगे किसी को नहीं पता. आज बचे हैं सबको पता है, कब तक बचेंगे किसी को नहीं पता. आज क्या कर रहे हैं सबको पता है, कल क्या करेंगे किसी को नहीं पता. आज दवा नहीं है सबको पता है, कब तक आएगी किसी को नहीं पता. कौन है रोगी कौन निरोगी किसी को नहीं पता, क्योंकि एसिम्टोमेटिक कोरोना अपने सिम्टम्स पे नहीं बताता. इसी के साथ मैं इतिहास को एक बार फिर नहीं दोहराने की आपसे गुजारिश करती हूँ, क्योंकि द मोस्ट सीवियर पैंडमिक इन हिस्ट्री वॉज द स्पेनिश फ्लू इन 1918 दैट वी ऑल नो. इट लास्टेड फॉर 2 years in 3 waves with 500 million people infected and 50 million deaths. Most of the fatalities happened in second wave. The people felt so bad about the quarantine and social distancing measures that when they were first lifted, the people rejoiced in the streets with the abandon. In the coming weeks, the second wave occurring with tens of millions dead. So, it's my request, let's not repeat the history this time in COVID-19. Let us be at home, be safe, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much for this time.